Itong'e serikali y'okurigereria abarendi batari be serikali ya Private Security Regulatory Authority nigo kiariganirie OMOSWADA buguche goika ase EUNGE y'okurigereria amaganio y'abarendi batari be serikali okwana kurasomo chio Nairobi meya magacho AKICC n'abarayi bekyombeekyo chinga kibaegwa amaganio y'ebyombe bitari be serikali asibalire eira amaganio yo na chikoba kagoikiranirwa boikirano Murikito Linet Nyambane na ikira sinsemecho na boigo gotwariganiria arakubwatia
Kiombekyo nigo kiarigania egeikaro kyo gusangereria ebirengererio kurwa ase abarendi abo batari abe serikali ase bakwaneire ebirenga bine ebibigochia kwene kyango ikerana bire egati yabo richiko ryo kurigereria abarendi abo ebitambokero bigochia kubwatigwa chingaki bagochora ababwatani ase bodi yabo ogotumeka kweminyama chingaki choborendi boigo omoroberio bwechibesa cha retirement.
We've just had a joint public participation exercise for the regulations, Private Security Regulations 2025. Those are comprised of 4 aspects. We have the general regulations, we have the use of animals, procedure for appointment of board members.
We spend a lot of time, several security bodies, the Kenya Security Industry Association, the Protective Security Industry Association, one called PROSAC, ASIS, North Rift Security Firms Association. We all sat down for 2 days in Mombasa, working through line by line, discussing every aspect of security. We didn't finish there. We again had to meet again a few select members to talk to the PSRA board to show them that this is what we want. So after all that, this is what we came up with.
Abarayi bekyombekyo ya Private Security Regulatory Authority batebire nigo baguchia koira ebirengererio ebyo ase omwaziri bw'oborendi bw'Imeyense Kipchumba Murkomen oyora chigoikia ebirengererio ebyo ase bunge.
After this, now we have done our work. We hand it over to PSRA. We'll fine tune it today. We'll look at the comments which have come in to see whether we need to adjust any issues. But once we're done with the draft, we hand it over to PSRA, and that is now the next step of how laws are done.
Once these have been incorporated, then we'll move ahead. We'll subject them or we'll submit them to the Ministry of Interior and National Administration at the CS office, Honorable Kipchumba. Then from there, it is the CS duty to take them to the parliament.
Egati abarendi abo baikerana nigo bakwaneire ari baganetie arigerirwe asobwagare.
We registered an organization, Kenya Private Security Association, in the state law office, to be precise, society. Now this organization will have a mandate. The main purpose of this organization is to push the agenda, the welfare, the issues, social welfare, social protection, issues to do with this benevolent, retirement, sickness, many issues that affect us as officers on the ground. We are going to share them. We are going to debate on them.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV imeomochio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.